guys, welcome back to Cool Stuff with Cody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cardboard motorboat. Now I'm just going to go over the supplies you'll need. First, you'll need a milk jug, an empty milk jug. Make sure it's this kind, because if it's one of the big plastic gallon jugs, it won't really work. So, then you're gonna need 2 pencils about the same length. You'll need a Sharpie, 2 rubber bands, and I'm gonna use some spray paint and duct tape. This is optional just to make my boat a little better. Okay, now that you have all your supplies, let's get started. First, I'm gonna start off with getting my milk carton, my razor knife, my ruler, and my Sharpie. So, on this, the jug, you're gonna get your ruler, and then you're just gonna measure out to where it's in the middle. Then, you're just gonna mark it every so often. Just like that. Then, I'm gonna come over here, put it like that, line up these lines, and then just come back, make sure that it's good in the middle, there. Just gonna draw a line right here to connect all these dots. Just like that. Then you're gonna do the same up here. You're gonna measure it out 2 inches, or in the middle and stuff. Put a line there, and then you can just draw that. And then you're gonna do the same on the bottom, and the same on the other 2 sides. Like that. Okay. Then you're gonna set your ruler and your Sharpie to the side. And you're gonna get your razor knife and you're gonna cut on these lines. That's that. Now you're gonna come to the back. You're gonna get your razor knife and you're gonna poke 2 small holes in the back. Then you're going to get 2 pencils, and then you're going to stick those pencils in the holes in the back. Just like that. I'm going to stick the erasers on the inside so that the water won't ruin them, so that you can use these pencils again. So now that you have it like that, you're gonna get one of your rubber bands and then you're gonna put it on like that, inside on those 2 rubber bands. Then you're gonna get your other milk carton, and then you're gonna measure out what you want the motor thingy to be. They should be pretty long, so they'll reach deeper into the water to push your boat better. And then you have that piece. Then you're gonna get your duct tape and you're going to wrap this piece in duct tape. Boat and spinning around to push the water. Okay. Now, you're gonna get your other rubber band and then you're gonna put it on the front or the back, but the front part of the motor part. So you want it should look a lot like that. And then you can take these down like that if you want. Just hold them in place better. Just when you're in the water, you just stick this in, wind it up, then it will spin around and it'll push your boat. So, I'm gonna put some duct tape around the edges of the boat, so it'll make it so water doesn't get in these sides. So that's the basic boat. I'm gonna spray paint mine to make it look cool. And when I spray paint it, I'm just gonna take out these two pencils.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I really hope your boat turned out well. And if you have different water sources like a bigger bathtub or a lake, then your boat probably will go farther and won't hit into that many walls. Make sure to like and subscribe on my channel, and so you'll never miss a new video. Thanks for watching on Cool Stuff with Cody.